Hi folks, here's an app deployed in AWS VPC. Currently the app starts, but fails to complete any requests to YugabyteDB Managed because it can't connect to the private endpoint. We'll use the YBM CLI to create a secure connection to YBM using AWS PrivateLink. We'll run the endpoint create command and pass the cluster name, the region, the accessibility type, as well as security principal. Here, we'll have to enter our AWS ID from our AWS console. Once we get confirmation, let's go ahead and list our endpoints. Here, we'll see that the private service endpoint is still under the state activating DNS. Once our private service endpoint is in a state of active, let's go ahead and grab the endpoint ID. We'll then use the endpoint describe command in order to get our service name in the bottom left-hand corner of the output that we'll need in order to create the AWS endpoint. From the VPC dashboard in your AWS console, select endpoints, then click create endpoint in the top right. Let's choose a name for your endpoint. Under service category, we'll click other endpoint services and paste the service name. Next, we'll choose our VPC and enable DNS name. Choose your subnet, your IP address type, and finally choose a security group. Once your AWS endpoint has been created, the application should be able to successfully connect to your cluster. And there you have it. You have successfully set up AWS PrivateLink with YugabyteDB Managed. Enjoy.